I know it's been a while since you've actually seen me talk, seen me, film videos. I have just been super duper busy, so I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video today. But I am going to be reviewing this headband wig right here from a company on Amazon, which is called Charisma Wig. I have reviewed some of their wigs before, but they did send this headband wig for me to try. I have wanted to try a headband wig for so long, so I was really happy that they reached out to me. I'm all about the more affordable type of wigs, so this wig is under $30. It's only $25.99, and as you can see, you can actually put this wig into a ponytail, and it does come with 3 different headbands. So I mean, this is a freaking steal. The headbands are random, and these are just the 3 that I got, and I really like all 3 of them. So I'm going to show you how to style this wig. This wig is perfect for a mom on the go, a professional mom on the go like myself. I have to wake up and go to work every day, and I want to look cute, and this is like the perfect wig for that. So I'm really excited to wear this during the work week next week, because it is Sunday right now. But if you're interested in seeing me review this wig, you know what to do. Please stay tuned, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Well, hello there. It's me. I'm back. It's 2021. I'm trying to be consistent on this channel. Again, I'm trying to grow this channel more and more. So I'm hoping to be back on it. That is one of my goals. So all I can do is pray that the Lord will allow me to do just that with all the other things I have to juggle as well. Anyway, let's go ahead and apply this Charisma headband wig. Like I said, Charisma is a brand that you can find on Amazon. They are exclusively sold there. This wig does come with wig caps, amazing, and it does come with 3 random headbands. These are the 3 random headbands that I just happened to be sent. A solid yellow one, a yellow one with flowers all over it, and then this cute cheetah print one. As you can see, the inside of the wig does have 2 clips that are really handy because they clip behind your hairline, so your wig won't slide off. And also there's a clip in the back, and as you can see, there's like a headband already on the wig. So that is what you use to put the head. You use that. That's what you put the headband over, the real headband over. So as you can see, that's what it looks like right there. It's just a lot simpler because you don't have to worry about cutting off lace. You don't have to worry about parts. You don't have to worry about anything. You just use a headband to conceal your actual wig. And I have made my own headband wigs with just regular wigs, but this is a lot more convenient. So what you do is just put that wig on, and you are going to secure the Velcro straps behind the back of your head, and then you're going to, just make it look cute. I would really prefer putting the headband wig further back from your hairline than what you see that I have it at right here. You really want to put it back, and don't be afraid. The wig is not going to fall off your head as long as you secure those clips that are in the front. So I'm choosing to rock the solid yellow, mustard yellow headband with this outfit that I'm wearing today. And I like it because you can, use any headband. You don't have to use the 3 that they send you. You can use any headband with this wig. It doesn't have to be this one in particular. But I am going to take some Eco Styler Gel Standard, and I just slicked up my edges a little bit, as you can see. And I have learned with these type of synthetic wigs, the hair is pretty good quality, but it always could be better because they do get kind of tangly. I'm not gonna lie, this does get tangly. So to prevent that, what I do is spray water on it, and I run my fingers through it. Or if it's the next day and I had been wearing this wig all the day before and it's a little tangly underneath, I just use that water to spray all over my hair, and then use a detangling comb to get any kinks and tangles out. But that is the finished look for the first wig. As you can see, I would push this wig just a little further back to conceal that headband, that black headband underneath, just a little bit more. But that yellow look was my first time wearing the wig, so I did learn a bit, as the days went on. So this is another day, and as you can see, I'm showing you how I detangle these type of, I would say, cheap synthetic wigs that I still like to rock because they still can look really, really, really nice. Don't be afraid of the price sometimes. This one still is very good for what it's worth, just a headband wig that you can throw on every day. So this is the cheetah headband. I'm applying the wig once again, and then I'm just putting the cheetah headband on, and this is how this one looks. This is probably, I don't know, yellow is my favorite color, but I really like this headband the most. It's the thickest too, which I really did like. So for the third one, it's a mustard yellow one with white flowers on it. And I'm going to show you how you can put this up in a ponytail. As you can see, this is how it looks in the back. So all you got to do is put a headband right there and pull it up, and you can rock this in a clip, You could rock this in a ponytail. You could put it in a bun. It is quite difficult to get the hair up there, you know, all the way up there and make it look nice, but it can be done. So I'm just going to do a little simple ponytail. As you can see, once again, you want to push that wig further back from your hairline to conceal the black headband that comes on the wig. And once again, I would have pushed this just a little further back. But like I said, headband wigs, I learned a lot just having this wig right here. But as you can see, it does look like, you know, it looks pretty decent. It looks pretty good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the third and final look. And yeah, don't forget to check the description box for all the details on this wig. And I cannot wait to hopefully see y'all in my next one. Bye-bye.